Hi, today we are talking about Tableau. Tableau is a data visualization software tool used to convert raw data into useful information. Examples are Excel spreadsheet, where we convert columns and rows into a complete analysis of the data. The data model in Tableau have two layers. The top part is called the logical layer. This helps us view and create relationship between two or more tables, or how two independent tables relate to each other. The bottom part is called the physical layer. This part shows you how the hardware stores the data.
Okay, let's talk about the worksheets in Tableau, where they are located. We're gonna look on the bottom part of the page and click in the Sheet tab. What is the worksheet in Tableau? This is the area where you view uh, how you're gonna view your data. How you build this? By dragging and dropping fields. You can have multiple sheets. You can that you can view in one screen, and you do this to analyze the data. It's, it's really simple. What you do here, you drag and drop what you want on the columns, drag and drop which one you want to be the rows. Uh, if you want labels on your chart, drag and drop on labels. Yes. If you want to change the color, just click color, change the color. If you want information with details, yes, with detail. Whatever you want on the detail. This is a really cool uh, software that you don't have fun playing around with this. Uh, Sometimes you right click, just format, then you can change how it looks. You want to change the color quantity. You want to change the size. See how it's changing. You want to put bold, italic, underline. See how it's changed. And carry the header, make it bold. I'm going to change here and take another color. Hmm? To make the level bigger. Yeah, this is super cool, super fun to play around. You can find a Excel sheet that you can play with this that you don't use to it. Our next video we're going to talk about the different functions that we have in this worksheet in Tableau. Thank you for coming. See you in the next class.